Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn a simple text animation, which is reveal text. You're going to animate the letters one by one and reveal the whole text. First thing you need is a text here. Then we'll need to create a matte layer. And we're going to create the matte layer using a shape layer by using this rectangle tool. So if you click on that rectangle tool and just create a rectangle that covers the whole text. So just like that. And I'm gonna name this matte. And if you go to your text layer, under track matte, you'll see this spiral icon. Just click and drag it to the matte layer. So basically what it does is just selecting the matte layer for the text layer. Now, you want to make sure that your matte layer is just placed just under the text. Now, if you move your text layer, you see that it becomes invisible once it gets out of the matte layer range. So what the matte layer does is basically it's making an area where your object or your text layer will be visible. So anything that's outside that range, it will be invisible. All we need to do now is to animate the text. So under your text layer, go to animate and then select position. We want to adjust the Y position. So if I drag this all the way to the right until the text is no longer visible, so that's great. Now open the range selector and we're just gonna animate the start first. So create a keyframe and then go to about like 1 second and then set the start to 100%. So if you play it now, it's already revealing text letter by letter. So that's great, but as you can see, the animation is not very smooth. So we're gonna create a smoother animation. Before we continue, have you ever wanted to save time on motion graphics? Motion Duck extension has thousands of animated templates that you can add to your animation. You can download a bundle pack, buy a new video pack, or subscribe if you don't want to spend too much in one go. They also have a free pack if you want to test them out first. It's so easy to use. The cool thing is you can customize them all. Check out the link in the description below to download. Now, back to the tutorial. So we're gonna turn off the start keyframes and just make sure your start is at 0%. And then we're gonna animate the offset. Click the stopwatch icon and then change the first keyframe to -100. And then go to about 1 second and then set it to 100%. So it goes from -100 to 100%. The next thing that you want to do is to open advanced and then you want to change the shape from square to ramp up. And then you want to adjust the ease low from 0% to 100%. So if we play it now, it looks way smoother than what it was before. What ease low does is basically it smooths out the second keyframe. It appears very smooth at the end. But if you swap it, say you put ease high 100 and ease low 0%, ease high basically only smooth the first keyframe and then the second keyframe will be like really sharp and fast. So it won't look good. That's why we use ease low 100% instead of ease high. So that's basically the gist of a reveal text, but now I want to show you something a bit more different. The reveal border is very like sharp. Now I want to create something that's a bit smoother so it looks a bit dreamier. So in order to do that, I'm just gonna enlarge the matte layer. So if you click on this blue square here, and it just kind of like make the matte layer bigger and just make sure that it covers the whole frame. I'm gonna hit on my rectangle tool again, and instead of selecting the star icon, which is tool create shape, I'm gonna select the icon next to it, which is tool creates mask. And by clicking on this, you're gonna create a mask instead on this shape layer instead of creating a shape. So I'm gonna create a mask layer that kind of like falls a bit below the text. So not right under the text, just like a bit below. And then I'm gonna hit F on my matte layer to bring up my mask feather. I'm gonna bring up the feather a little bit. And then as you can see here, it has a bit of like softer edge, but obviously that's a bit too strong. So I'm gonna reduce the mask feather maybe like, 23. And obviously now you can see the text at the start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the Y position under this range selector. So just like adjust it higher until you don't see the text anymore. And just make sure that you're adjusting position under the range selector, not under transform. Because I have some people adjusting the position under transform, it just doesn't work. Now if you play it, it has a softer kind of like reveal. So that's it. Hope you enjoy that, and thanks for watching.